Welcome to the Brooklyn Brothers. Today we're going to show you how to make this cauliflower with spaghetti. Very healthy dish. Absolutely. It's great. It smells out of this world. All right.
Yum.
Cook it.
Let's eat.
Right, these are all the ingredients that we need to make this pasta with cauliflower. It's all fresh. We have garlic, onion, Parmesan cheese, the star of the attraction, cauliflower, some chicken broth, olive oil, and spaghetti.
All right, we're going to cut up our onions and garlic for our cauliflower and pasta. Well, I'm going to dice up our onions small. Strong onions. Jeez.
Stop crying.
Can't help it.
All right.
Skins. Chop up some fresh garlic here. My eyes are burning. All right.
Beautiful.
Oh, let's get these onions away from me, man. Can't see, man. I'm throwing food everywhere. My eyes are burning. All right, add some olive oil in there. Fry it up slow.
Extra virgin.
You like saying that, don't you?
I do. You know, this is I want to say a family recipe, but this is Dominic's spin on cauliflower and pasta. We typically put tomato sauce in there too, but we want to go ahead and leave that out in this recipe. It's really, really good. This is a great cauliflower recipe here. I mean, they're doing so many things today with cauliflower. They're making pizza crust made of cauliflower. They're making pasta made of cauliflower. I haven't tried that yet, but gonna try that one time. Great way to get your kids to eat veggies.
Up some of these leaves, put them in there. Like Grandmama used to do.
How long you cook those onions?
Just another couple more minutes. Just until they're clear.
Smells good already. How long you let it cook in there?
No, 5-6 minutes. We'll let it go. Maybe a little longer. And then add some salt and pepper. going to add some salt and pepper.
Smells good. Heat it here.
I'm going to add a little chicken stock to this now.
Smelling good.
Oh, it smells good.
Yeah, really good. Gonna cook that until the cauliflower softens.
Yeah, it's got to be really cooked good, nice and tender.
Okay,
Won't take long.
we'll be back.
Cut up some Italian parsley. Perfect. Put a little parsley in there. Just let that cook and then you can just add a little more. That smells good already.
It does smell good.
All right, we're going to add a little more chicken stock to it. Let it cook down a little bit more. We need more, but put it in there.
All right. Man, this smells great. It really does.
I'm going to put the rest of the chicken stock in there. It
Nice,
should be ready in about 5 minutes.
nice. It smells wonderful. Getting ready to cook our spaghetti. Water's almost boiled. All right.
All right, we're going to cook our spaghetti.
We got 2 pounds here.
It's a sin just to cook 1 pound of pasta.
Definitely. Yeah, beautiful. Very nice. Coming along. How's it smell, Mama?
Delicious.
All right, we're going to put save a little bit of water with the starch. Yeah. Butter.
What, Mom?
And butter.
Oh yeah, of course. We need butter for this dish. All right. About a cup of water there. Beautiful. How's the spaghetti? Is it ready?
I think so. Yeah, another minute.
Okay. All right, pasta ready. Yeah.
We're going to dump this in here.
Beautiful.
I'm going to put a little unsalted butter in there.
Perfect.
Make it a little creamy. And we're going to add a little bit of some of that starchy water from the pasta.
Nice.
Make it a little thick.
Very nice. Parmesan. I didn't say Papa John, I said Parmesan. Mom's trying to be funny over there.
All right, we're gonna mix it up now. Oh man, how good.
It smells out of this world.
I'm gonna leave those onions in there. Oh, it's hot. Oh man, look at that.
This is a healthy dish right here.
Except for all the cheese.
No, it's still healthy. That cheese doesn't have very many calories. Fat.
Look at that, man. See how that sticks to the spaghetti.
It's gonna stick to your ribs. Beautiful.
All right, let's test out this
That looks good.
cauliflower. One of our boys gave me this for Christmas. He and his fiance.
Paul's got a thing for monkeys.
Yes. He used to have a monkey called Clancy, and this is what he did.
Tell him about Zizzy what she did. Our Aunt Lorraine, which we called Zizzy, Paul and I, she went on a train, right, to go find Paul's monkey.
Yeah,
He lost a
Clancy.
monkey in the wintertime.
Clancy in February.
In
the
February.
January, with
To
snow,
find his
how many
monkey.
inches of snow.
And she found his monkey.
And she's struggling to carry that off.
Let me have your plate, Al. Have some of this spaghetti. There
Those
you go.
things
Is
don't
that
work.
enough?
It's just for show.
Yeah, these don't work too well.
It's just for show, man.
Let me go get another one. Hey, we tried, right?
Clancy the monkey.
That's all right. We'll just keep this to summons the crew when it's ready to eat.
Well, get the tongs. I'm hungry.
Because
All right.
Make sure Mom gets some cauliflower.
Oh yeah, this cauliflower right there. There you go, Mama.
Oh, yeah.
There's some cheese right there.
Load me up.
Thank you. So I really don't want to try this.
Well, cauliflower.
Oh, she will.
Who?
Jerry Lee.
Oh,
She always says that every time we sit down.
Put some cauliflower in
It's
there.
Jerry Lee gonna treat.
Beautiful. Have that cheese, Mom.
Oh, this looks wonderful.
Thank you.
Very nice. There's some cheese on it. All right, let's test this baby out.
Very good.
Smells beautiful. Yes.
Tasty.
With Mom.
How was it,
But it
Mom?
could have had more liquid in here. You know?
How was it, Mom?
Delicious.
Delish? Oh, this is really, really good, folks. Very good.
Really good.
I got a joke for you, Mom. What did the broccoli say to the cauliflower when they were trying to run away from the police?
Flores.
What? How did you guess that?
I guessed.
You're sharper than I. You're very sharp, Mother. Very sharp. Anyway, hey, folks, thanks for watching. Hey, if you don't mind, what really helps us out is to hit that like button and make a comment. That really helps the channel out. Anyway, we appreciate you guys, and we'll see you guys next time.
Happy New Year, everybody.
Happy New Year.